Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to your Next Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video of this gorgeous F33 420iM Sport convertible we're having. 2018, covered 40,000 miles, just 3 owners from new, and it's in superb condition. Alpine white, fitted with some gorgeous styling upgrades. Let's take a look around. LED headlights is the facelift model. Twin slat kidney grille, professionally fitted 3-piece high gloss front splitter. Upgraded 20-inch wheels, brand new with brand new tyres, just fitted. Mirror cap upgrade, M Performance side vinyl in satin black, complemented by the gloss black sidebars. Again, all professionally fitted in-house. High kick rear spoiler. LED tail lights being the facelift model. Gloss black rear diffuser. Currently badged the 420i. If you prefer, it can be debadged at no extra cost. Roots in the down position. Still some space there for you. Obviously being a hard top, it does take up more space when it's down. Really nicely presented. Low mileage for its age. It's in fantastic condition. Black leather, electric memory driver's seat, electric passenger seat. This one has the air collar, so warm air coming out when you have the roof down. Isofix rear bench, electric windows, electrically adjustable mirrors, automatic headlights, cruise control, professional navigation, 8-speed automatic with paddle shift as well. Next service due in 15,000 miles or July 2027, so it's been serviced very recently. Take a look at the service history. There you see, all up to date. Bluetooth audio, DAB and media playback in very good condition. HP available on this up to 60 months. You can quote and apply on the website. Part exchange is very welcome. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.